Aloha and welcome to University of Hawaii News. I'm Leon Sheen, a UH Manoa student. No pain, no gain could be the motto for a recent scientific breakthrough by a UH researcher, and it's all thanks to a painful ocean encounter.
A medicine that effectively treats the sting of a box jellyfish has been developed by Angel Yanagihara, a researcher at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. A sting that is a painful nuisance in Hawaii and deadly in places like Australia, Thailand, and Indonesia. Her work was published in the December 2012 edition of PLOS ONE, the world's most prestigious open-access online scientific journal.
What is extremely satisfying to me is to bring this 14-year hunt and work to a peer-reviewed end.
That hunt started when Yanagihara, a biochemist, was severely stung by box jellyfish in 1997 while swimming near Waikiki. That's when she discovered that little was known about what causes the sting's burning pain.
They certainly brought the battle to an interesting person. When I got stung, I got motivated.
This is video of the venom being fired out of the jellyfish tentacles. In 1998, Yanagihara identified a toxin in the venom that has since been found in all box jellyfish around the world. She soon discovered the toxin was the kinetic leader or locomotive that drives the venom, and eventually found compounds that can block the toxin's effect on human blood cells. Then came the tests on more than 300 laboratory mice.
Just injecting the venom into the mice caused death of 100% of the animals within 20 minutes. Whereas when we followed that up with the treatment, most of the animals, over 75% of them, survived the entire 12-hour observation period.
The technology to treat the stings is now being developed and may be on the market soon.
Not only is it a technology that's applicable for life-threatening stings, but also for our local burning stings.
This is just the beginning. Her research on box jellyfish could lead to breakthroughs on things like treating wounds and septic shock. It is just another example of the impact UH can have on the state and the world.
The researchers and scientists of tomorrow are being inspired today by a hands-on program at UH Manoa.
I don't know. You're going to have to try and see.
Why are these elementary school students spending a Saturday morning at the University of Hawaii at Manoa? In lab coats, no less.
We're learning about insects. I gotta study bugs and be a scientist.
They were among 50 or so kids participating in an outreach event called Genius Day, organized and created by Dr. Anya Wieczorek from the College of Tropical Agriculture and Human Resources. Genius Day started as a school field trip program 5 years ago and was so popular, Wieczorek added Saturday sessions about a year ago.
Essentially what we're doing is trying to inspire them, make them as excited as we are about science.
More than 5,000 students have taken part in the program's engaging, hands-on activities on topics such as human and plant genetic traits, forensic science, agriculture, and DNA research. On this day, it was all about insects. The kids even got to build their own.
And just things that they wouldn't normally get to do or see in their daily life or maybe in their regular classroom.
I've learned about different parts of all the animals, like the thorax. Scientists group insects in how they are alike or in common. Bugs usually have spiracles and other kinds of different senses.
It's a great way for them to learn about science, and he's having a blast, and it's something we can do together on the weekend.
The Saturday classes do fill up early, giving organizers hope that they're accomplishing their mission, getting kids excited about science.
So that they want to come back to UH and just keep learning, just keep wanting to find out more and more.
Mahalo for watching UH News. I'm Leon Sheen. For more, please go to www.hawaii.edu and click UH News.